Hello, how are you today? Hey, I am making some fried potatoes. I have some lentil soup from last night in the refrigerator, so I thought I'd make some fried potatoes for them when they come home. So I'm gonna wash these and I'm gonna start cutting them up and putting them in my cast iron skillet. Okay, I'm just cutting them up in chunks, filling up my pan. Okay, I got them on my stove and I'm gonna put some olive oil on here. That should be enough, and I'm gonna put them on medium and I'm gonna put the lid on. So I'm just gonna let those cook for about 20 minutes. I'll just keep checking them and turning them. At some point, I'll take the lid off and then let them brown for about the last 15 minutes. Okay, hope you're having a good day. Let's check them. Just make sure they're not sticking. I have them on low. I'm gonna add a chopped onion to this too. And just turn them all over and then put the lid back on and let them cook some more until they're soft. And then take the lid off and then let them brown. This garlic seasoning from Garlic and Herb from Costco. And then I'll put a little bit of Himalayan pink salt in there too. Okay, I'm letting them brown. They're almost done. I'll just let them brown on each side and they will be done. I keep the lid off. Enjoy.